Hello friends, welcome to my 90s on YouTube channel. If you are a new visitor on my YouTube channel, please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you can get a notification after publishing my future videos. Let's learn how to change date and time on A20s mobile. Go to your mobile settings. After scroll down this page, you can see here General Management option. Open it. Click on this date and time option. If you want to select automatic time zone, you can enable this option. If you want to set a custom time, you can disable this, and after you can change your date and time. If you want to view your time on 24-hour mode, you can enable this use 24-hour format option. I think this video is very helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for future updates. Have a nice day. Goodbye.